I was just about to make my daily breakfast, my eggs and toast, and I thought, why not show you my version of it? This has been my go-to quick breakfast meal that I absolutely love to enjoy on my balcony before I start work. With each meal, I always try to include at least a few anti-inflammatory ingredients. So in this case, I'm using 2 cloves of garlic. Garlic is incredibly nutritious and it's good for your health, heart, and brain. And it also contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds to help with chronic inflammation. Again, I like to add a bit of powdered garlic, black pepper, and salt to the eggs. So I'm gonna set aside the eggs and add some spinach and the garlic and then just cook everything together. And cooking the spinach reduces the amount of oxalate, and you'll also be absorbing higher levels of vitamins, protein, zinc, and fiber. So after I toast my bread, then I'm gonna add some goat cheese. So I am using an organic sprouted whole wheat toast for this recipe. It's low in carbs, but it's really nutritious and really healthy. And this toast really hits the spot without a ton of carbs, and it's very filling. If you'd like to discover more anti-inflammatory low-carb breakfast ideas, check out my cookbook linked below. I also included lunch, dinner, and snacks as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys soon in a new video.